Hello guys, this is the PayPal account that I have been created for my customer, and then the PayPal account need some information to access. You see here, right? Submit info to access your funds. To continue having access to your funds, you'll need to submit the info we have requested. I will show you how to fix this problem. Right now, let's go to this option. Just a little bit here. We need some information from you. Let's scroll up together. This is the information that we need to upload. We need to upload a photo ID. Right now, let's go to the option Resolve Together to fix the problem. After that, upload a photo ID. You see here the instruction or information that you need to know here. What document would you like to upload, or what kind of document that you can upload? Yes, this is the direction that you need to follow up. Right now, let's go to document type here. There are 3 types of documents. First one, it is about passport. If you have been created your PayPal account with your passport, so that you need to choose the option passport. And the second one is about driver's license. If you created your PayPal account with your driver's license, you choose the option driver license. If you have been created your PayPal account with your national identity card, so that you need to choose the option national identity card. This PayPal account I have been created for my customer using national identity card, so that I would like to choose the option national identity card. After choosing the document type, let's go to the option Add a file. After choosing Add a file, you can choose your file from your photo library, take a photo, or choose file option, or choose from your Google Drive. But I would like to choose a file from my photo library, so that I need to click the option Photo Library. The document that I have been chosen, after choosing, scroll up together. And then click the option Submit. Just wait a little bit. Yeah, you see here, right? Your information has been submitted. Right now, let's go to the option Go to Account Limitation. Upload a photo ID has been submitted. Right now, go back. Go to this sign here. Let's go to the option Home. The PayPal account has been fixed. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.